Good day. My name is Hadassah Omiyale. I am 13 years old and I'm a student of Child Bilingual Institute. The reason why I like programming is because I feel in the next few years, programming will be one of the things that can make the world a better place. So my AI project for this year was called the Security Aid. The Security Aid was designed in a way it can be able to detect thieves by asking common questions which the user is supposed to answer. So this is the project. So for the AI project, I made AB here to play the role of the security personnel. So the way it was designed, once I press on this green flag, AB is supposed to play her role. So her voice was programmed around here, and then these were the questions that she was asked. And then from this red part was when she was asked. She asked John to determine whether he was wearing a nose mask, and then when John's nose mask was off, she said John should wear his nose mask. And once she saw that the nose mask was on, she allowed John to enter. John played the role of the user here. He was going to visit someone. So once, like I said before, this was also to start, and then the voice was also programmed here. This is where John said hi to AB, and this was when he said his requests. This was when he gave answers to questions, and then finally this is where the conversation ended. So I feel by my security aid projects, it will be able to detect thieves and make the world a better place in the next few years. Thank you.